But I just think this is so cool. You can pick different scanners, but then you can actually start the scanner and export the scan, bring it into a registration software, and register the program or register the scans.
Oh, cool. Wow. Huh.
So, I mean, you can have your students go, and there's like, I'm gonna exit. You can have your students all do this and register their scans as training, right? You don't have to have 1,000 scanners.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And they have like 4 different locations. I'm gonna probably use it for some of my videos as fun, you know,
And
easy way to shadows.
is it free?
The demo is I haven't found a way to pay for it, but you can download the demo, no problem. And it has all the
Cool. I'll give it a try.
yeah.